This is Lincoln Total Bucks Plus. Today we have a 2012 Ford Focus, stock number 6151. This ran from 05-2011 to 08-2015. It has a P&D A 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the P&D A 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front headlight, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory sync stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, front courtesy light, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,